If you like lemon pepper wings, then you'll love lemon lime pepper wings. These are very easy to make and very delicious. I'm using all flats today because yes, I am team flats, #flats. If you're a drumette type of person or even a whole wing person, leave me a comment and represent your team. I'll spread these out and add an all-purpose rub. I'll be dropping some pepper on it as well. I'll flip over and then season the other side. I'll give it a quick mix so they all get even coating. Oh, I'm calling an audible here and dropping in some paprika for a little color. It looks a little uneven, but again, I'll give it a quick mix so it evens out a bit. Normally after I season, I'll lay them in a rack like this, put it in the fridge uncovered overnight. So the seasoning gets into the meat and it dries out the skin. You'll get much crispier skin this way. But I'm cooking these right now, so there's no time for a dry brine. I'm cooking these wings on the Weber kettle, and I'll be using lump charcoal. I'll remove any big pieces of lump. I'll drop in my grate, and I'll spray the grates with oil. While it's coming up the temp, let's make our lemon lime pepper sauce. In a pan, I'll be dropping 2 sticks of butter and zesting a full lemon and 2 limes over the melted butter. You might also consider dropping in additional zest at the end for a little bit more pop. I'll also squeeze the lemon juice. Careful with the lemon as you squeeze it and make sure you catch any of the seeds. Then I'll squeeze in some lime juice. I'm going to be dropping an all-purpose rub. Yep, you guessed it. It's Incredible by Heavenly Made Products. Keep adding the seasoning until it's a nice mix of lemon, lime flavor, and salt. And what the heck, I'll be dropping in some additional pepper. Let's check our grill. Ooh, this thing got hot quick. It's time to place in our wings. Once I lay them in, I'll spray them with some oil and cover it up. Pro tip, if you're using a Vortex, consider rotating the lid every 10 to 15 minutes, a quarter of the way. It'll promote more even cooking. Time to check up on these wings. I'm going to flip them over to get more color on the bottom. Cover and check back later. Okay, these wings aren't as crispy as I would like them, but we're hungry and we need to eat. Otherwise, we'll probably leave them in for another 5 to 10 minutes. Once in the bowl, let's add in our lemon lime pepper sauce and give it a quick toss. These wings are fantastic. If you give it a try, please leave me a comment down below.